Go on.
When you at work?
Yeah, man, I work I go on for a morning, man, you see it?
So when you do bill up and then something?
Yes, man, that clear the tree them out of the way. I don't know how to go. Look, concrete, you see it?
That doesn't sound bad.
Yeah, man, up movement, you see it?
Anyways, I need to.
You know, she not there today because with the work I go on and thing. That's the last we just go on. I mean, you see me?
Oh, alright, I go call her.
Yeah, man, do that, man.
Hello? Annie? We do a bar. It's a surprise. So we just found it. Them tell me saying they up here today. Alright, forward.
Brother, you are who? How come you are pray man so neatly?
I'm not praying, my boss. Just work me at work.
See, to me, it look like they take too much break. Because every time me look, me and your eye make four.
Nah, my general, it's just an accident, Dad.
Me no like accident. Because people always get hurt.
What going on with up here, so? It's like hurricane just passed through your head.
Hurricane. Yeah, look, you say hurricane. You know, say, they're having some laps, but we have to just take them down because my party is Saturday, so I just want to look fresh. It did for do today, but you just had turned down palm and couldn't do nothing better more than worried, so.
Party? Yaki party?
Yeah. So look around Robin, if you make the look extra dollars, then you know them look really.
So hello, I have the round robin buddy. You could tell me say Yaki party.
Where did I come from?
No, up the road, I come from, my general.
Up the road? Me mean where you come from originally. Nobody up the road now have no accent.
My general, enough of the people don't know me because my fly out go to school, but my granny dead by there, so I'm come back down.
Let me ask you something. You did there at prison.
Why would you ask me something like that?